Good evening, Algebra 1 class. So today we're going to do the check for understanding, which is what we were doing in class today. And because I know these videos sometimes are not the best qualities, I'm going to go ahead and read these questions to you. And then, of course, you can always come back to them. Number 1 says, for the function f of x, which equals x squared plus x plus 1, fill in the table below. Your x values are a -1, 0, 1/2, and 1.2. You need to find the y values for those. Number 2, for each function below, find the ordered pairs for x equal to 1, x equal to 3, x equal to 1/2, and x equal to 0.4. X equal to 0.4. And our two equations are A, y equals 4x. So again, you're going to make a table. You already have your 4x values. You just find the y values. And for B, y equals 2 minus x squared. Again, you're going to make a t table. You already have your 4x values. You just find the y values. Number 3, given the function f of x equals 9 minus 4x, what value of x will result in f of x equaling 1? So simply put, how do we make 9 minus 4x equal to 1? Solve for x. Number 4, identify the domain of each ordered pair. And the ordered pairs are a -4, -5, a -1, -5, 0, -5, and the last one is +4, -5. Number 5, identify the range of the above ordered pairs. And number 6, does the relation in number 4 represent a function, and why or why not? Number 7, I want you to graph the following functions. A, f of x equals 2x minus 5. B, f of x equals 3 times parentheses x plus 1, close parentheses, minus 2. C, f of x equals a -1/2 x plus 4. And D, f of x equals a -2x minus 5. And then finally, number 8, what is the slope and the y-intercept of each function in number 7 above? Please feel free to use your notes for all of this. It's been in the last couple of weeks, all the way up to yesterday, that all your notes should cover all these questions. And if you need to use a calculator, please feel free to use a calculator. These will be due tomorrow. Thank you and have a great evening.